Hello, this is Cyber Dragon. Today I'm going to talk about Market Watch. Market Watch is a website that gives you news on the market to determine the stocks going up or down. You also can trade US, Europe, Asia, Forex, future, and crypto. You can switch through each chart to see how the market is doing from different parts of the world. Right now, the Dow Jones is doing good right now. You can check the Europe. All the markets are doing good right now. When you trade on Forex, it's mostly about currency. If it shows a green, it's doing good. If it's showing red, it's doing bad. Futures is usually trade like oil, minerals, materials, silver, gold, and so forth. It based how the market will go up or down based on the news. Since due to COVID-19, it has caused oil prices to drop. I will provide some links and what books that can help you trade in stocks, commodity, options, and so forth. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a good day. Hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.